Good luck to all of you bettors. Stand by na po yung dispatch. All set, ready to race. Anytime now. Venus Gold will run as the top choice. Second favorite, Eye2Eye. Gates open, they're up and racing. She's Gorgeous Conqueror moving up. Promise. Venus Gold, the favorite, now grabbing the lead. Venus Gold, the leader, followed by Conqueror. Promise racing in third. Tucker's Diamond now pass approaching on the outside. Then running by the relay to Eye, She's Gorgeous. But it's still entry number 4, Venus Gold, being joined by Conqueror in second. Racing in third, Tucker's Diamond. Eye2Eye is running by the rail. Promise in between runners. She's Gorgeous comes next. My wife doesn't know. And as they round towards the 450 with Venus Gold still the leader. Conqueror, Tucker's Diamond arriving at the race too. Venus Gold, Conqueror, Tucker's Diamond now at the corner. 4 runners now parting it out for the lead. Eye2Eye, Venus Gold, Tucker's Diamond in between runners is Conqueror, and down the stretch they come. Venus Gold running by the relay. Eye2Eye. Eye2Eye takes the lead. Venus Gold, and on the outside, Tucker's Diamond. Eye2Eye winning this race over Tucker's Diamond. Venus Gold will up Destiny Conqueror for your Pentapecta.